Hello and welcome to Sehrawat Brothers. Today, we are thrilled to present our stunning and versatile HDHMR wall panels. With our WhatsApp API account, we will be sharing all the details you need to know about our products and services directly with you. Let's dive in. We manufacture HDHMR wall panels in standard and customized sizes to suit your requirements. Made from Tesa's HDHMR material, these panels are water-resistant, termite-proof, and fire-redundant. Choose from multiple standard sizes, customized sizes, designs, and thickness options to find the perfect wall panels for your home. Our HDHMR wall panels come in various categories, including Louver Panels, Flute Panels, 2D Wave Boards, 3D Wave Boards, Engraved Wave Boards, and 3D Wall Murals. We offer thickness options of 6mm, 8mm, 12mm, 18mm, 25mm, and 30mm, suitable for both interior and exterior applications. Sehrawat Brothers manufacture HDHMR wall panels in a standard size of 8 feet x 4 feet, available in multiple thicknesses and design options. Customize your panels to match your unique style and preferences. We provide free and secure home delivery of our products, complete with 100% insurance coverage all over India. Enjoy factory pricing and the best material guarantee, as we are the proud manufacturers of these exceptional HDHMR wall panels. If you have any questions, simply type your query, and our chatbot will provide complete information about the product in seconds. We're here to make your shopping experience as seamless as possible. To enhance your shopping experience, we have integrated our WhatsApp API account at 7827678276 to handle your inquiries. Our chatbot is available 24/7 to provide you with detailed information on our products, including images, videos, and pricing. In case our chatbot can't answer your question, our dedicated customer support team at Sehrawat Brothers is ready to help. It may take some time, but we assure you that we will respond to your query. Thank you for choosing Sehrawat Brothers for your HDHMR wall panel needs. Visit our website or connect with us on WhatsApp to explore our collection. Namaskar and Jai Hind.